si Kuya Romel ay much preferred kaysa sa pastor. Pero pastor din naman talaga ako, pero mas comfortable ako na Kuya Romel. Ang relationship ko sa All for Christ Church starts when I started. Dito talaga ako nag-start na magkaroon ng matinong worship ministry. Dito ko natutunan paano mag-worship. And to top it all, kamag-anak ko lahat halos yung nandun sa All for Christ Church. Kaya talagang merong relationship or talagang I am related to All for Christ Church. Na when I started or we started our own church na pinaglilingkuran namin ngayon, pwede rin ang acronym na ACC. Kaya so much related. We're so excited.
Tumay excited nga.
And I think I will lose control.
Ako, kidding aside, super excited. Parang it's also our chance to remember all the things of the past. Nox!
Naman. So touching.
It's good to remember all those good times. So, yeah.
Tagal nang hindi sila nakakatugtugan. Pero natuwa ako, unang rehearsal yata natin, no? Medyo magulo-gulo pa yung chords natin. Pero nung nag-start tayo, may isa tayong tinugtog. Parang dikit na dikit pa rin yung tugtog natin. Tagal na natin dito mo tugtog.
May share ako sa inyo, nagkukwento kami ni Kuya Ramil. Yung chemistry namin, we reached the point na hindi kailangan sumenyas ni Kuya Romel. Nararamdaman namin, hininga pa lang niya, alam na namin.
Na mabango, ha? Kailangan nating i-emphasize yun.
Yeah, we missed that. And then rehearsals, parang bigla namin naalala, nga parang hindi kailangan sumenyas. We just know it.
Sa yung secret natin, hindi natin kailangan mag-practice.
Oo.
Ako nga, sa sobrang excitement ko, napabili ako ng bass guitar.
Naibebenta niya ulit.
Naibebenta ko after.
After concert.
Naidodonate lahat sa HK.
Pwede. So when we were conceptualizing about this worship concert, we were thinking of the right theme. And during discussions, merong isang word na lumutang. Muli. Muli because after more than 20 years, ngayon na lang kami ulit magsasama ni Kuya Romel at ni Ate Susan in one big stage. Muli because we will be worshiping God through songs from the 90s. Today, there are probably 100 worship artists, but there is something special about the songs from the 90s. We'd like to bring that back. Third, muli because I was talking to Kuya Romel. In the past, we were really worshiping God sa EDSA, sa Luneta, sa Kalsada, literal. Araneta, social Araneta. Well, that's true.
Nung malalaking stadium, natugtugan naman natin yun. Come to think of it.
Cuneta,
ICC, Ultra, Phil Sports. Name it. Word of Hope, yung malaking natugtugan naman natin lahat yun.
Totoo.
Bukod sa madaling spell yung muli.
So, muli.
Ate payapat sarili.
So, ang dami reasons. So, and today, I think it's about time we worship God again in a very symbolic place sa TC Auditorium. It's a state university because we need to worship God for our country. That's why it's muli.
Ang ACC kasi is growing in numbers, So, after pandemic, dahil excited din ang mga tao to gather, so nag-i-invite din sila at the same time. So, may mga Sundays na medyo siksikan, and at the same time, uncomfortable na yung area na kung saan nandun sa labas yung mga members. And we were divided by a physical wall kasi, So, nung ina-assess ng mga leaders ano mga dapat gawin, so may mga suggestions to expand yung current na sanctuary natin. So that's when yung project expansion came about. At nung in-assess na rin ng mga experts, eventually nakita na kailangan na rin talagang gibain yung current structure at pagtayuan ng bagong structure para mas maging mas ma-accommodate yung mga number ng people na pumupunta. So, ang primary purpose lang is we needed more space. So, kaya nilaunch natin itong project expansion para mas marami tayong madala at ma-invite para sa pagsamba sa Panginoon.
Pero actually, sayang yung puno.
Oo.
Oo. Nakakamiss.
Interesado ako.
Oh, yeah.
Nakakamiss, yeah.
Nakikisa kami sa Home for Christ at sa pinapagawa ng Lord sa kanila dahil alam namin na maganda pa yung plano ng Diyos para sa Home for Christ. Kami ay nakikisaya, nakikirejoice na makita namin yung paghilos ng Lord.
At nakikipark.
Nakikipark, of course. Nakikipark kami doon. Kahit hindi namin to church, pero alam naman natin, iisa tayo sa Panginoon. Ang pagtutulungan ay gusto ng Panginoon. Nagkakarisa tayo, nagtutulungan tayo. Dahil sino-sino pa ba ang magtutulungan kung hindi tayo dahil magkakapatid tayo sa Panginoon. Thank you so much.
Pabili kayong ticket. Ano? Oo, sa adamihan nyo. Oo. Marami na po nagpe-pray. Ang kailangan pa, yung bibiling ticket.
Ay, nako.
Siguro, help us promote, help us promote yung mga posters na sinishare natin.
Wag lang promote, biling ticket talaga. Hindi talaga kailangan.
Buy and promote pala.
Oo, yun. Pwede nga, pati poster din.
Pero to give context to that, we called this muli a night of praise and purpose. Si Kuya Romel, he's a known worship artist, although artist is not really a word we use in this kind of ministry. Pero kung tutuusin, kung pepresyohan ang kanyang service, it's beyond what we can imagine, but he's offering he's offering us this help. So thanks, Kuya. So yan, bili na lang kayo ng ticket.
Oo, naman. Shake shack lang, oh. Hindi, pero talaga yon yung real talk, kailangan talaga ng finances para na tumayo ng maayos yung building for All for Christ Church. So, yun, malaking tulong. We're trying to do our bit. Siyempre, malaking himala kung that night ma-raise natin lahat ng kailangan. Pero kung di man, two things are going with us sa gawain na to. Una, chance to worship together. Pangalawa, kahit pa paano, may ma-raise naman tayo for this worthy project.
Hi, I'm Ate Susan Guevara. Ako po ay isang worship leader. For me, worship is actually your life o yung buhay natin. Kasi it's not actually only a lifestyle. Kasi pag yung buhay na sinabi nga sa Romans 12:1, that we need to offer our lives as a living sacrifice. Buhay mismo yung worship, hindi yung kanta, hindi yung pinapakita mo lang panlabas, hindi yung buhay mo na nakikita ng Panginoon.
Si Kuya Romel, and I play the keyboards. Sometimes nagra-write ng songs, worship leader. Tapos, what is worship? I believe yun yung expression ng love ko kay Lord.
Okay, sige.
Ako si Kuya Ramil, I play bass, at I'm IT by profession, musician by passion, dancer by frustration.
Ganun. Ganun.
And for me, worship is yun nga, giving your everything sa Panginoon at giving your excellent service sa ating Panginoon.
Dagdag ko na rin yun dun sa definition ko ng worship.
Okay, carry on.
I am Je. I play drums. Worship for me is the expression of your love to God.
We invite you to experience worship with us hanggang sa muli.
We invite you to experience worship with us hanggang sa muli.
We invite you to experience worship with us hanggang sa muli.
We invite you to experience worship with us hanggang sa muli.